Hello everyone, so today you're in my new video and today we're playing 2520 mode. This is half of the animatronics which have been picked and they all are on 20. So let's get straight into it. Jump scare warning and flashing lights warning. Okay, I was very lucky. Come on! Out of my skin. Oh, and loud noises. Sorry. Vent system. No! No! No. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, duct system. Oh, what? No. Let me into my camps. Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to turn off the fan, turn on power generator, then close. Okay, turn off the fan, power. Now duct system. Oh my god. What is going on? Okay, mango. No. No. Please let me into my camps right now. Oh.
Oh, hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long. They move on to other things by now. I'm not implying that they died. That's not what I meant. Anyway, I better not take up too much of your time. Things start getting real tonight. Hey, listen, I had an idea. If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuck, try playing dead. You know, go limp. Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff it in.
Oh, what? I catch the fish. Now I can't use cameras for a while. Oh, okay, I can. Nope. No. Where? Oh.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path.
Why do I need this to know from
I want you to
that?
forget anything you may have heard about the old location, you know.
What?
Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company.
Why do they mute Helpy?
That old restaurant
Helpy
was
is
kind of left to rot
like
for quite
not
a while,
bad.
but I want to reassure you Fazbear
Like,
Entertainment is
why?
committed to
Why do they
family fun
do
and
it?
above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let the wolfman run away. Is that neat?
Oh. Oh. Okay, that was a rare Easter egg that failed.
Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this
You
long.
already said this.
You know, they usually move on to other
Leave
things.
me alone.
I'm not implying that they died. That's not what I meant. Anyway,
I did
better
not
take
say
up too much of your time. Things start getting real tonight. Hey, listen, I had an idea. If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy
You know
suit,
that you already said
playing
this.
dead, you know, go limp. Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you.
I did it. Okay, Nightmare Fredbear. I didn't seen you in a while already. So, hi. Fine. Let's go! I did it. Let's go. New high score. No, I don't want to listen to this. No. Let me out. Okay. I can't move my mouse? Bro. Okay. I can't.
あれはこの土地に固有のものだとは思えなかった。
Does he still has his hat in the next scene or no?
おい、ああいうものは迷惑千万だ。いくつかの石を投げると、それは正確に戻ってきた。次の日の朝、私はとても早く木に登り、笑いカワセミが目を覚まし、妹葉の房をつけた。私は
Bruh. Okay, this is even more funny because he had fruit had at the top of him, but now he's just, I don't know even what he's doing. Okay, Fox. Come on, faster. I can't skip it. It is just physically impossible to skip all of this. Help, 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 help.
私にはキャラクター開発の余地がなく、私の隠れ家というのは少し物を追加するためにできることの
Just stop already playing. Okay, we're gonna need to wait until the end of this cutscene. Come on. Scene. I think it was something like 2 or more minutes. Or what? Oh, finally. So this was my setup. I beat 25 out of 15 characters. Now comes to the hard ones. So see you in the next video.